The Trailblazer House by Citizen Design in Maple Valley, United States. When this picturesque 18-acre site was purchased in Maple Valley, Washington, the owners wanted to create a unique home designed around their family and lifestyle. The home represents the family's personal style while achieving a balance between connection and privacy. The Trailblazer was designed to be a striking contrast of gabled forms nestled between trees and wetlands. The 4 primary volumes, clad with Shou Sugi Ban and black corrugated metal, each serve a different programmatic function for the home. The volumes are connected through a series of light-filled breezeways that provide visual integration with the landscape and emulate walking through the woods as you pass between spaces. The main entry volume serves as the hub of the home, drawing guests into the main living space, which is wrapped in trees and connects to the view of the creek beyond. This volume houses the living room, dining room, and kitchen while providing hidden functionality at its core with a butler's kitchen and powder room. The living room fully opens to the outdoor living area to the south, which is covered by a louvered pergola. This mechanically adjustable roof covering by structure allows for control of natural light and weather protection for year-round use of this additional living space. The flow of the home feels natural and open. To the left of the entry, you are transported to the quiet, secluded primary suite. This volume turns away from the public areas of the home and takes in the tranquility of the surrounding landscaping and walking paths. To the right of the entry, you are brought into the family's wing of the house. Cozy and intimate, this family area serves as the space for records to be enjoyed as a more informal living room next to the freestanding wood fireplace and a pocketing glass door that opens to the outdoor living area. On the second floor of this volume, the children have a unique place to host their friends while being connected to their bedrooms. This volume also acts as the connection to the 4th gabled form, which serves as a garage and hobby shop. The 4,600 square foot home is clad with a combination of Shou Sugi Ban wood siding, black corrugated metal, and 2 stone concrete tiles. A dedication to lasting, low-maintenance materials drove many decisions throughout the home, including the use of polished concrete floors with radiant heat throughout it. The minimal palette on the interiors is composed of white oak ceilings and cabinets from Belmont Cabinets, decked in ultra-compact stone countertops, and 2 stone board form concrete tiles.